Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start with, the Australian dollar continues to advance overnight and takes the challenge higher after peaking at 79.78, which was last seen in September 2017. It is viewed that from this level towards 65 or even higher towards 80.15 could eventually put a bull trap in place. The reason behind that is the fact that there is divergence from the RSI, and also we are extremely overbought, and it is warranted that a pullback should soon emerge. If we do get a strong rejection, and as you can see towards 80 cents, the market over 4 periods clearly staged a very strong rejection and also was overbought at the time when it was challenging that region. Therefore, I do expect to see a similar pattern to come through. For those trading from the long side, do raise your stops, or for those trading to look to get short, opportunity should soon arise. The Euro story is still very much to the bull case, even though the US was absent overnight in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The US dollar did fall to a low of 90.02. With a crucial support taken out of 91 figure, the index now has exposure to a region of 86, which in terms could see the euro to 124 to 126. But at this stage, I don't have any strong calls due to the fact that there is divergence like the Aussie on the RSI with the euro, and also we could soon see a rejection as this rally continues. On the day, I do expect to see a cap around 122.85.95, with the resistance above there at 123.45.50 and support coming in now at 122.20 as minor. Or with the yen strengthening overnight, puts further stress to the downside and takes out 110.85.95 and now looks towards the region of 109.65 with the support first seen at 110.35. Like most of the markets being overbought, dollar yen is actually oversold. Now I do heed a little bit of caution, even though it is trending, that we could see a rejection from the 109.65 area. Therefore, I do see this as a short-term base and could actually see a move back up towards 110.90 to 111.80.85. Well, the pound surges, as you can see. Let's widen this out just a little bit. Okay. Pound surges, and you can see by the movement is the fact it did briefly look above 138. At present, the indicators are still, in terms of being overbought, could see the market retreat from the 138 region and look back towards this uptrend that slowly comes in from 134.95.05. Overall, I'm not bullish for the pound, even though we are heading towards the Brexit highs of 140 to 150. Nevertheless, we are overbought, and I do expect to see the market soon fail and look back towards the immediate support at 137.20.25. The gold took the challenge to the upside and hit the target of 1,345 before easing back to 1,341 this morning. You can see there is divergence. I do believe the market will eventually turn away from this 45 level and ease out of the overbought condition and look back to the minor support that comes in at 1,335, or with the base now coming in around 1,329. Once we've got this pullback, then I'm looking for a rally on to a target of 1,375. And to round off with oil, well, the market nudges slightly higher and is extremely overbought. I do expect to see the market fail towards $66 a barrel. Therefore, we should see a move back towards 64.15. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.